And in these few moments we're going to be talking Chrome and Chrome Beta picture in picture, something I'm tying some loose ends on because it came around a month ago, and sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. So for your benefit, I'm using Chrome Beta, these version numbers at the top, and the technique here, let's just give you a laser pointer a tiny bit. Technique is to right click once, right click twice, or double right click. We need to have a look at some Chrome flags in a moment with these bits. Main thing is that on Chrome you will find that on right clicking, picture in picture is enabled and it's black. However, over here on Chrome Beta, as me, quite honestly, it's greyed out, and that's what I need to enable if I wish to. I'm just a big Chrome Beta user for some reason, have been for many years, but luckily we can have Chrome and Chrome Beta all on the same Windows machine at the same time. There are a couple of bits which must link, so let's come out of that, because I'll show you the first thing is that if you're on Windows right now, look at both of these Chromes. On the left, believe it or not, is actually Chrome. On the right is Chrome Beta. There is absolutely nothing visually different about them that I can see anyway. Top right on the side here is that Chrome has Chrome, and of course Beta has the little Beta banner at the bottom, the one that looks very much like that. You know, pretty obvious. Chrome's Chrome, and Beta with the oh goodness me, this a brown thing with the word beta on it, brown, grey, you get the idea. No, so let's do a demo of the one that is working. So what we do here, we're in Chrome, and if you're in any doubt whatsoever, to be thorough about this, you go help about Chrome, and this will tell us immediately whether it's Chrome, Chrome Beta, or whatever other version. This is Google Chrome 70.0 and some numbers. So what happens here is there's a couple of things. Is I've got a Google Drive thing from one of my sandbox blogs. Click it, and you won't get the sound, thankfully, to annoy us all. And God, it's taken its time, isn't it? And it will start to play. Then when you start to play like this, you can, let me do that again, right click once, right click twice, and then picture in picture. And at this point we can go down and we can minimize everything, and as long as Chrome is open, you've got a window that you can drag around and move around to your heart's content. If you want to take that away, and this is the interesting part, which I absolutely love about it, is that I'm going to let this play. Let me just, you might be able to hear a tiny bit of that. And then what we can do is go back to the Chrome Beta, which I think was, say, notice picture in picture, go to sandbox. Then the moment I will hit close, it says the video is playing picture in picture. The moment I hit close, look, close, it actually jumps back into the other one. Normally it plays. Another example, of course, is, just to be thorough with this, I want to play. Here's a video of mine on YouTube. Right click once, right click twice, picture in picture, and there it is. This time, I believe when I close it, it goes and plays straight in. The other one, of course, is that I've got the Chrome extension by Google, which looks like this, link in the box, which is like that. That's the logo. So if I go over here and I play, click the Chrome extension, top right click, and you'll see that there we go, picture in picture again. If I stop, and it comes back. I think that's all we need for Chrome. So let's go over to, if you are a user of Chrome Beta, he says going over to regular Chrome. There are so many Chromes. There we go, that'll do. And what you'll find here with is exactly the same, like for like. I go down to my sandbox blog and wait. I think I'm waiting too long for this, but never mind. He says padding for time. Right, that plays. Once again, right click twice. Can't do it. So how do we solve that? Interesting one. What we do is we go to Chrome // flags, and the one we want from memory, he says going over to this one, is one called, oh, shout out by the way, 12 Francois for the post 19th of October, and where I got the solution was from Reddit, subreddit Chrome OS, which I'll put link in the box. Bottom line is that this chap's asked the question exactly as my question, and this is the solution. So what we need is getting on with the solution as fast as I can. Right, picture in picture and surface layer. So what we do is we go down to experiments, and then we go to picture, and just typing picture in the box, and it says default. What you have to do is enable it, and it says relaunch now. I don't want to relaunch now. And the other one is surface, and then we go down and we enable. When you relaunch, didn't want to do that, doesn't matter. I've relaunched the browser. When it comes back, if it does come back, then it will work perfectly. I'll tell you what, why not? Let's sit here and do it in real time. So I've clicked these two flags as on, and they should be on now. Yes, they're both enabled. This time we go back and let's, for good luck, do a refresh. Won't need to, will I, because it's already doing it, so bear with me for a couple of seconds if we've got this far. There it is. So we're in Chrome. Hold on a second, let's just check what we're in. About Chrome, I'm telling you that we're in Chrome beta, which I think we are. Yes, we are. Look, Chrome beta version 71, which is lovely. Then we go back, then we're waiting for this, which I want to play. And this time when we do play, dum-de-dum, de-dum, de-dum, come on, load, 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 please. Interesting, isn't it? The way things work on the internet. He says loading like anything. Am I asking for too much work to be loading? By now my audience is walking off. They really? Let's try a different one, shall we? Let's try this one. Let's see if we want to play the same video of mine. This time we should find... Oh, if I get that Monday advert again, I'm gonna... Honestly, I am. 3, 2, 1. That guy, when he comes out with his face there, is absolutely doing me in. Sorry, it really is. So we start this time once, right click, second, and bingo. We are there and we are finished for this video because picture in picture is working. So there you go, that was it. I've been here for 7 minutes, but hey, you know, take it slow and learn. So we've had picture in picture. Please let me know how you're getting on with it, because it is a lovely feature to have picture in picture. Thank you very much and goodbye.